Okay, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to attempt to make a mount for my GoPro using some wood glue, clamp, later on some PVC pipe to attach my GoPro to. Alright, come a little closer. So I got me I think it's a 1x2 and I cut it to fit in the canoe, so it's going to go in like this. Alright, under the gunwale. Then I'm going to use these other two pieces and glue them to the first piece like so. Alright, after I glue it, I'm going to use the C-clamp to hold the pieces of wood down until the glue hardens. Then I'm going to take this 1x4 or 1x3, lay it across the top, secure it with some screws, then later on get a spade bit, probably a 1/2 inch piece, drill right through the center, and that's what I'm going to put my piece of PVC pipe down through. I'll probably spray paint the PVC pipe black just so the white pole's not sticking out, but I'm probably going to set it up about 4 feet high above my head. So anyways, I'll post another video when I get done or as I'm doing it. We'll see how it goes. I kind of got this idea from a YouTube video. The guy was using a I think he had a Pelican Explorer just like mine, but he used the same type of mount for a motor. But anyways, I'm going to try this out with the GoPro mount that I'm going to try to make. Alright, get back with you guys. This way, it's going to sit on top like that. You're just going to slide it on up. There we go. Now watch, pick the canoe up. The two washers are going to be between the wood and the gunwale. The other two washers go down and secure the wing nut. You can see it's going to be right behind the rear seat. Goes down, lodges in there between the keel support. So I'm going to sit on the seat. I'm going to figure out a good height for the pole and I'm going to cut it. So here we go. So as you can see, it's going to be right behind the rear seat. On one end of the pole, I got a cap. So I modified the cap with a 1/4-20 screw. It's going to sit on top of the pole, like so. And that's what I'm going to screw my GoPro down on. To help with the floating is I bought some insulation foam spray. I'm going to try to fill this whole PVC pipe up, so if it goes into the water, it'll You kind of see a little bit there. Started to come out the ends. I had to wipe it all off. I'm sure some expanded down into the pipe, but it looks like it would be watertight. Anywho, I'm gonna glue the cap on and spray it with some Flex Seal. GoPro, stop recording. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like the video if you like it. We put some more videos up with some modifications on the Canoe. We'll be doing some floats down some rivers here in West Virginia. Going to be going to the Greenbrier River soon, Gondot River, and the Mud River.